back here with the final video on the Rough Country upper control arm installation, the 2.5 to 3.5 inch lift. This is the passenger side right here. And basically they give you this sleeve that goes into your knuckle right here. I believe the stamped steel has the bigger ball joint, so you have to use the sleeve. But if you have the cast upper control arm or the aluminum upper and lower control arm, it's this size right here, which is the standard ball joint they have that comes with the actual Rough Country upper control arms. So if it's stamped steel, you have to use this sleeve because your ball joint is bigger than the taper on this factory one they provide, and it just falls into here just like that. And then you'll put everything together, loose fit, and then you will torque all the bolts and screw. Everything comes factory wise in the same position, orientation, the ABS and brake lines, and also this bracket acts as a double for the MagneRide. So all that will be put back on together. Again, the leveling kit I had these brackets for the MagneRide, so we're getting rid of that. And this ball joint it's been cocked like this for most of its life because the truck's been lifted for a while, leveled. But this is a new improved design, and we'll see how far this goes. Again, I got to get in alignment, but I'm waiting on a few other parts to come in. Again, you can see those shims. On the leveling kit, and then you have this little, I think it's 1.25 inch lift block that goes under the stress arm. And this is from Suspension Max. This kit is like I think it's $169 for these two blocks on each side, and then there's 4 shims on each side provided. But we'll be getting rid of that. Just give me a final look at this the passenger side.